Should I use DHS Hurricane 3 on my backhand? A lesson from Ma Long by Coach EmRatThich, PingSunday.com. Many amateur players ask me, Coach EmRatThich, should I use DHS Hurricane 3 on my backhand? Ma Long uses Chinese rubber on his backhand, so shouldn't I follow him? This is a very common question, and today I will explain clearly why most amateur players should not use DHS Hurricane 3 on the backhand, even if it works for Ma Long. 1. The myth of copying pros. Don't blindly follow Ma Long. Let's be honest, Ma Long is not just any player. He is a legend, a Grand Slam champion, and perhaps the most complete table tennis player in history. But that doesn't mean everything he uses will work for you. Ma Long developed over decades of training with the Chinese national team. His technique, timing, and body coordination are at a level that's far beyond any amateur. When you say, Ma Long uses Hurricane 3 on the backhand, so I will too. You are copying the tool, but not the ability behind the tool. Imagine trying to race in Formula One with no driving license. The equipment is not the problem, the driver is. 2. Why most players use European rubber on the backhand. European rubbers like Tenergy 05, Fast-Arc G1, Raxa 7, or Xi'an Vega have one big advantage. They are more forgiving. They have softer sponge, higher bounce, more built-in catapult effect, easier to generate speed and spin. For amateur players with average technique, this makes a huge difference. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need explosive leg power. The rubber gives you a helping hand. You can loop easily even with compact strokes. Block with stability, counter with safety, open against backspin with confidence 3. Why Ma Long uses Hurricane 3 on the backhand. Ma Long is a forehand dominant player, but as he got older, and as the new generation like Lin Gaoyuan, Liang Jingkun, and Lin Shidong became stronger in the backhand rally game, he needed a new strategy. European rubbers are fast and bouncy, but in fast backhand rallies they become predictable, easy to counter, so Ma Long took a different route. He switched to tacky Chinese rubber on his backhand to disrupt the opponent's timing, make the ball trajectory strange and awkward, lower the opponent's shot quality. He doesn't need to overpower you. He makes you feel uncomfortable and forces you to make mistakes. His backhand becomes a tricky wall. Not fast, but weird. This is a high-level tactic. It's a dialectical strategy. I can't raise my own backhand power anymore, so I will make yours drop. Genius, but only possible when you have perfect touch stability and tactical awareness. 4. Why you should not use Hurricane 3 on the backhand. Let's say you're a club player rated 1200 to 2200. If you use Hurricane 3 on the backhand, you will struggle to open against backspin. Blocking will feel dead and difficult. You must generate all the power yourself. In rally, your shot quality will be low. Your timing needs to be perfect. You will be frustrated very fast unless you have perfect hand control. Like Ma Long, Chinese tacky rubber will become a burden, not an advantage. This is why 99% of players use European rubber on the backhand. It's easier, faster, more stable, and more forgiving, especially on passive strokes. 5. Conclusion, train like Ma Long, but don't copy his setup. As I always say on PingSunday, train like a pro, but choose your equipment like a smart amateur. Use tools that match your level and playing style. If you're still developing your backhand, use a fast, springy European rubber. If you are a high-level player with excellent touch and you want to add deception, then try Hurricane 3 on the backhand. But remember, don't blindly imitate Ma Long. You don't have his timing, his wrist control, or his footwork yet. First, build your technique, then maybe, just maybe, one day you'll be ready to handle Chinese rubber on both sides. Until then, stay smart, stay consistent. Coach EmRatThich, PingSunday. The Spirit of Table Tennis, subscribe to PingSunday on YouTube for more deep coaching tips and training insights.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.